What's up, guys? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get the Saber Fighting Style in Sailor piece. Alright, so first, let's talk about the main way, which is grinding the Saber Boss. What you want to do is head over to Boss Island and find the Boss Summoner NPC. From there, you'll need a boss key, some money, and gems to spawn the Saber Boss. Once you summon it, just fight and defeat the boss. Now here's the important part. The Saber Fighting Style only has a 2% drop chance. So yeah, it's really rare. Don't expect to get it quickly. You might need to fight the boss a lot of times before it drops. Now for the second method, and honestly, this is the easier and more guaranteed way. Every time you defeat bosses, you get boss tickets. Once you've saved up 65 boss tickets, go to the Boss Exchange NPC, also located on Boss Island, and you can directly buy the Saber Fighting Style there. So yeah, if you're getting unlucky with the 2% drop, this method is definitely the way to go. So the best strategy here is simple. Just keep farming the Saber Boss, and even if it doesn't drop, you're still collecting boss tickets, and eventually, you'll be able to buy it anyway. And that's pretty much it for this guide. If this helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.